So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super awesome. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Royal Kingdom. So this is for iPhone and Android. So in the mod menu, you can enable unlimited coins. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. So let's see if they go up. So currently I've got 800 coins, 370. So let's see what happens. I'm hoping it works, but I don't really know for sure. So let's see what we're going to get on the Royal Kingdom, guys. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. It works on iOS and Android, but yeah, let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So all we have to do is go to the browser, and in this browser I want you to type tweakmod.com. So on this website, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Royal, and then press install. And before it downloads the mod, there's going to be one more step, which is the verification. So on the verification step, you have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long because a lot of people are going to be, of course, thinking about how long it's going to take. So it's actually pretty quick. So let's just wait and see what happens here, as you can see. So it's loading up right now. So as you can see, it's now taking us to that thing, and it says missing files. So we just got to download 2 of these apps. Doesn't matter, just make sure you get 2 of them. So like TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds, so I just download it. And then you can see right here we got Underdog down and run for 30 seconds, so just download that. So I'll just do 2 of them, guys. Then you get Royal Kingdom hacked for your device. So you'll be rich, guys. It's so cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super insane. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you're tired of being poor, definitely try us out. I'll see you guys later, and peace out.